Alright guys, this is my first video, so please go easy on me. This is a test, before test of the Stock Harley Davidson exhaust. I'm about to install some Cobra 909 twin slip-on mufflers, and we'll see what the sound difference is between the stock mufflers and the new mufflers on the Milwaukee 8 engine. So here's our first trial. So the engine is completely stock other than the Screaming Eagle air cleaner. Alright, pardon this for a moment for sound reasons. All right, we'll be back in just a little